Good morning, dear students. As we have done two word problems in my previous video. Now today we will start the next word problems. That is question number 3. Here you have given a quiz show on TV takes 1 hour 30 minutes and the advertisements during the show take 26 minutes. How much time does the quiz take? Students, here you have given total time taken by a quiz is 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. And the advertisement shows the show take 26 minutes. Means total time taken by a quiz is 1 hour 30 minutes, in which time taken by the advertisement is also included. But we have to find out time taken by the quiz only. So if we subtract the duration of advertisement is subtracted, then we will get the actual time. Okay, बेटा अगर हम टोटल टाइम में से एडवर्टाइजमेंट टाइम का टाइम निकाल देंगे तो हमें क्विज का एक्चुअल टाइम मिल जाएगा. ओके, मीन्स देन वी विल गेट द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ क्विज टाइम. ओके, सो टोटल टाइम टेकन बाय अ क्विज इज 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, see how we will do. Total time taken by a quiz show. See, here you have given total time taken by a quiz show is 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, I will write hours and minutes at the top. Okay, now see how much time? 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, now the advertisement shows during the show takes 26 minutes. Means this is total time in which 26 minutes advertisement will take 26 minutes, and we have to find out the duration of quiz only. Okay, so time taken by advertisement that is 26. Okay, now if we subtract this 26 from total time, then we will get the actual time of the quiz. Okay, so duration of quiz, we have to find out the duration of quiz. Now see, as this 0 minus 6, which is not possible, we will take borrow from this 3. This will become 2 and this is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0 and 1 minus, there is no r, so I can write here 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay, so the duration of quiz show is 1 hour 4 minutes. Okay, so our answer will be, how much time does the quiz take? The quiz takes 1 hour 4 minutes. Okay, now see the next question. Here you have given the annual day program got over at 6:30 p.m. If it was a 4-hour program, when did it start? Students, in this sum, we have given the ending time. The annual day program got over at 6:30 p.m. means this is the ending time. And 6:30 PM, इट मीन 6:30 PM पर वो फिनिश हुआ. प्रोग्राम जो था वो 6:30 पे फिनिश हुआ. इट वॉज अ 4-hour प्रोग्राम. वो प्रोग्राम था 4 hours का. When did it start? We have to find the starting time. So to find out the starting time, we need to go backward, and for backward we need to subtract. If we go back, then we subtract from the given time. Okay, so time the annual day program got over at 6:30 PM. ओके बेटा इसमें आपको फिनिशिंग टाइम दिया हुआ है कि 6:30 PM पर फिनिश हुआ और वो प्रोग्राम 4 आवर्स का था. आपको ये बताना है कि वो स्टार्ट कब हुआ था. ओके सो द एनुअल डे program, you can write program got over at what time? That is 6:30 PM. 6:30 PM. Okay. And program was for 4 hours. कितने टाइम का प्रोग्राम था? 4 hours का. 4 hours 4 घंटे का प्रोग्राम था. ड्यूरेशन of program was how much? That is 4 hours. So I will write here 4 under the hours. This is hours na, so I will write here 4 here. Okay, and there is no minute, so I will write here 00. Okay, if we subtract, we need to find out the starting time. To find the starting time, we need to subtract this. Okay, so 0, we have to find the starting time now. When did it start? The program, you can write here, the program started at, it started at 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, it means the program started at 2:30 PM. Okay, so our answer will be the program got start at or you can say the program started at 2:30 PM, or you can write the program got start at 2:30 PM. Okay, now the next question. Here you have given Mrs. Das went to shop at 5 PM and came back after 3 hours 17 minutes. When did she came back after shopping? Beta, in this question you have given Mrs. Das went to shop. Mrs. Das शॉप पर गई हैं 5 PM इवनिंग में 5 बजे गई हैं एंड केम बैक एंड वापिस आ गई हैं आफ्टर 3 hours 17 minutes. When did she come back? You have to tell about the timing when she came back. Okay, so she went for a shopping at 5 PM and she came back after 3 hours 17 minutes. Means time taken for a shopping is 3 hours 17 minutes. Okay, and after that she came back. So we have to find out at what time she came back. In this we have given the starting time. That is in this we have given the duration of time, and we have to calculate the exact time. And to calculate the exact time, we will add. Okay. We will write she, Mrs. Das, or you can write she went for shopping at, she went for a shopping at 5 PM. At 5 o'clock she went for a shopping. Okay, and after 3 hours 17 minutes she came back. Means she took time 3 hours 17 minutes for shopping. Okay, duration of time is duration of time, that is 3 hours 17 minutes. Okay, and when did she came back? And we have to find out the last time. Means we have to find out at what time she came back. So we will add this. So we will write 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Means at 8:17 p.m. she came back. Okay. When did she came back? She came back at 8:17 p.m. Okay. So our answer will be Mrs. Das came back at 8:17 p.m. Okay. She came back after shopping at 8:17 p.m. Okay. That's all for today. Now with this our chapter time is finished and we will start a new chapter in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.